You know, judicial decisions are laws and they set directions for the people. After the Supreme Court judgment on the presidential election, I interpreted it and advised Nigerians, but they did not listen to me. Because the impact of that judgment of the Supreme Court is that don't believe INEC. That's the summary of the judgment. Don't believe INEC. Don't trust INEC. Because if INEC tells you that this is the rules of election, don't believe them. Because if they wake up anytime and change the rules, we are with them. So if that's the judicial position, it means that people should go and campaign in INEC. You don't need to go on rallies. All rallies should take place in the offices of INEC. So that when you please INEC, they will appoint a returning officer with a clear direction to declare you winner. It's not about the votes. Because if the court is saying bylaws made by INEC, by INEC cannot be credible, and they cannot be held accountable for even changing the rules midway, what more is left of the credibility of INEC? The decision of the Supreme Court was a vote of no confidence on INEC. Because once the rules of an institution or the power of lawmaking, of a lawmaking body, a quasi-lawmaking body, a cultural lawmaking body, the credibility is challenged, there is nothing left of that institution. There is nothing INEC should say after that judgment that is believed. Even the declaration of result based on that decision of the Supreme Court should not be accepted or believed. Because the Supreme Court said there are rules, they can make it. If Mahmoud have bad dreams, he declare results, he can change the rules, and that you cannot hold them accountable. Then what is left of our democracy? So the judiciary has set a part of anarchy. Those decisions, whatever it is, this is my understanding of it, because you cannot convince me that a law-making agency will not obey its own rules, but yet will expect other people to obey. So this is the crisis. So the judiciary as it stands today is the last hope of rich politicians and not the common man. The judiciary is the nightmare of the common man and the last hope of money packs.